Hi guys, welcome back. Hope everyone is safe. Today by this video, we will look into the basic difference between the purchase entry and the journal entry. Basically, when we compare both the entries, a purchase bill entry is an entry made into the accounting system to record the purchase of good, which is directly used for institution operations. Like any material we purchase, which is directly linked to the invoice we have given. So any material purchase will be coming into the purchase entry, as well as in the journal entry. The purchase entry will be direct expenses, and the journal entry is like administrative expenses. Indirect expenses almost come into the journal entry. It is used to record the financial transaction, which is indirectly used for the functioning of the system. Let's see, for example, petrol, vehicle maintenance, and office administration, like purchasing of A4 paper for the office use. So like this, indirectly any expense, any transaction made will be going into the journal entry. So I'll show you with the entry of both of them. So let's see first the purchase entry. For the purchase entry, press V. V is the short key for accounting vouchers. Under accounting vouchers, here F9 purchase. So F9 and make it into as voucher. So the bill date is 7/2/23. Now I am entering a bill which is purchased, the material purchase. So I'm entering the data. Invoice number SI is 785, and Wadi Jor Electrical. I have purchased from Wadi Jor Electrical, and net amount is 143.85. We will enter as a new reference, and here in the purchase, DR will be divided into two sections. So the total amount is 143.85. So there is VAT in this amount. So the purchase, the amount, the goods purchased amount is 137, and the VAT associated with that amount is 6.85. And here in the narration we will write the description. So after a few days, if you want to see the detail, it will be useful if you write the description. And if you want to check the price of the material purchased, instead of going through or searching through the invoices, you can just enter, get into the Tally, and you can see all the details. If you write the details correctly, it will be very useful. So I have written the description of the material purchased. It is not mandatory, but it's very useful if you write the description over here for the future references. So I'm entering. So this material has been purchased by giving cash, not credit. So you can see F5 is for payment, or you can either click over here, or you can just click F5 from the keyboard. F5 payment. On the same date I have made the payment, so the account will be cash, not the bank account. And Wadi Jor, you can see the references over here. The amount is 143.85. Click the AGST reference, so the bill comes here. Enter cash paid. Okay, that was the direct purchase entry. So let's see a journal entry right now. So I'm entering a bill of petrol used for vehicle. So in the journal section, press F7 or click the journal, and the date is 5/2/23, and the reference number is 8094. And here we will unlike the purchase entry, first we will enter the details like the total amount of the purchase and the VAT and the company's name. Previous in the purchase entry, first we have entered the company details, so Wadijor and the net amount and the purchase and the VAT. Here it's like reverse. First we will enter the purchase, VAT, then the company net amount. So let's see the petrol vehicle. I have already created a journal entry, petrol vehicle. If it's like an admin expense, you can see admin expenses over here, or if it's a vehicle maintenance over here. So first we need to create a journal register for entering that journal. So here it goes into the petrol vehicle, and 200 is the net amount and 9.52 is the VAT amount. So 190.48 is the net petrol, is the real value of petrol we purchased, and the VAT associated with that amount is 9.52. And we have purchased from Enoch 200 dirhams, and it enter into the new reference, and petrol and the vehicle number 84807. Okay, now I have purchased this petrol by cash, so either click F5 or press the payment. So I have purchased by giving cash. I have purchased from Enoch for 200 dirhams, and the invoice number reference is 8094, which we have already entered. Cash paid, petrol 84807. See, like this we can enter both the journal entry and purchase entry. First we need to segregate the whole invoices into direct purchase bills and the journal purchase bill, so that it will be easy for entering the invoices into Tally. Hope everything is clear, and if you have anything to share, please let me know through the comment section. And if you feel the information relevant, please support me by sharing and subscribing. Hope everybody is fine. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.